let's learn how to ask for instructions without sounding wrong. Don't ask what I do. Here's a natural version. When asking for instructions, you need helping verbs. Use what should I do followed by rest of your question, or how do I followed by rest of your question, or where do I followed by rest of your question, or when should I followed by rest of your question. Let's look at some examples. What I do next? This is incorrect. What should I do next? This is correct. How I submit this? This is incorrect. How do I submit this? This is correct. Where I click? This is incorrect. When I start? This is incorrect. Where do I click? This is correct. When should I start? This is correct. How I open this file? This is incorrect. How do I open this file? This is correct. What I do with this form? This is incorrect. What should I do with this form? This is correct. I press this button. This is incorrect. Should I press this button? This is correct. How I find the instructions? This is incorrect. How do I find the instructions? This is correct. Where I upload the project? This is incorrect. Where do I upload the project? This is correct. Let's now take the common mistake challenge. I'll say a wrong question, and you type or say the correct version before I reveal it. What I do here? How I start the task? Where I submit homework? Now that you have mapped the answers in your mind, let's look at the correct answers. What should I do here? How do I start the task? Where do I submit the homework? Try it again with your own steps or tasks. Practice for you. Here's a quick practice for you. Repeat after me. What should I do after this step? How do I do this correctly? Let's now look at a quick recap. Instructions need helping verbs. Use what should, how do, where do, when should followed by rest of the questions. If you do not use helping verb, the questions will be confusing. So add these helping verbs and your English will become solid instantly. You can save this video for your next class. Happy learning! Like, share and subscribe.